Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup LastPass Vault before migration, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your LastPass Vault, open your web browser. Navigate to the LastPass website and log in to your account. Once logged in, locate the LastPass icon in your browser toolbar. Click on the icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the All Items option. In the All Items view, look for the More Options link. Click on More Options to expand additional features. Select Advanced Options from the list presented. Next, click on Export. You may be prompted to enter your master password for security verification. Enter your master password and confirm to proceed with the export. A new window will appear displaying your vault in a text format. Highlight all the text in this window, then copy it. Open a text editor, such as Notepad or TextEdit. Paste the copied content into the text editor. Save the file with an appropriate name, ensuring it has a .txt extension. Choose a secure location on your computer to store this backup file. Once saved, close the text editor and return to your LastPass Vault. For added security, consider encrypting the backup file before migration. You have now successfully backed up your LastPass Vault. Ensure you keep this backup file in a secure and accessible location for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.